I'm Andy Pease, in Balance Green Consulting. I'm here today with the Tri-Counties Regional Energy Network, 3C REN. Today we're going to provide an opportunity to look at heat pump water heaters and all the parts and pieces that bring these together. As California moves toward all-electric construction, heat pump water heaters are becoming very popular because they're so energy efficient and they don't use natural gas. They come in many shapes and sizes and brands. The water heater we're looking at today is at the new office building of People's Self-Help Housing here in San Luis Obispo. Here it is. A residential application could look similar, but smaller in scale. All heat pump water systems have a heat pump that creates hot water and a tank to store the hot water. In this example, the heat pump is at the top and the storage tank is at the bottom. For the heat pump to operate, it needs plenty of air volume, like in this utility room or in a garage. Room air is brought in at the top and leaves out the side. But if the room space is limited, the air intake and output can be vented to the outside. But note that since there's no combustion, there's no flue or exhaust as would be required for a gas heater. Cold water comes in here at the bottom of the tank, then it naturally rises as it's heated. Hot water is then drawn from the top of the tank. This unit is a hybrid. In addition to the heat pump, there are two electric resistance heating elements. Electric resistance is not energy efficient, but it can kick on when there is a surge in hot water demand, because nobody wants to run out of hot water. The heat pump has an integrated control panel, which is smartphone enabled to track temperature and to make sure everything is operating properly. Tank-type water heaters have a pressure relief valve, shown here. In addition, heat pump water heaters require a condensate drain, and they can drain together. And a great thing to notice about this installation is that all the pipes are well insulated. Thanks for tuning in for this quick overview of heat pump water heaters. If you'd like more information about energy efficiency, heat pumps, building electrification, tune in to 3C REN for their videos that are live and on demand. 3cren.org. See you next time.